Set your mood. خپل طبیعت سم کا. Set your mood. I will teach him a lesson. زب هغه ته چلی وهم. I will teach him a lesson. Try to understand me. زما په پویدو کوشش وکا. Try to understand me. It is useless to explain him. هغه پویول بی فیدی دی. It is useless to explain him. He only does his mind. هغه هو بس خپل مرضی کوي. He only does his mind. You are unnecessarily upset. ته غیر ضروری خفه. You are unnecessarily upset. The light has gone. بجلی لاړه. The light has gone. Take it easy. پقلاره. Take it easy. He started screaming. هغه چغه کړه. He started screaming. Have some shame. لږ شرم وکا. Have some shame. That's the way. دغه لار ده. That's the way. He talks strange things. هغه عجیبه خبرې کوي. He talks strange things. I know you. زتا پیجنم. I know you. How do you know me? تما سنگ پیجنی. How do you know me? Who has seen tomorrow? سبا چا لیدلی. Who has seen tomorrow? May God bless you. خدای دی پتا خپل کرم وکی. May God bless you. Long live your age. عمر ډیر شي. Long live your age. I will drive the car today. نن به موټر زه چلوم. I will drive the car today. Do not drag your feet. خپې ځان پسې مه راکاږه. Do not drag your feet. Are you still sleepy? آیا اوس هم په خوب کې یې. Are you still sleepy? This is a big deal for me. دا ما د پاره غټه خبره ده. This is a big deal for me. The truth always seems better. رښتیا عمري تارخی. The truth always seems better. It is definitely something. خامخا څه خبره ده. It is definitely something. Control your tongue. خوله دې په واک کې کا. Control your tongue. You are so dull. ته څومره ناراستی. You are so dull. Spit away the anger. غصه توکا. Spit away the anger. You deserve it. ته د دې لایق یې. You deserve it. Just a little more. بس لږ سات نور. Just a little more. The bag is very heavy. بسته ډیره درنه ده. The bag is very heavy. Damn on you. لعنت دی پتا باندې. Damn on you. Stay within your limits. په خپل اوقات کې اوسه. Stay within your limits. My mind is restless. زه ناقراره یم. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ زه بېچینه یم. My mind is restless. What are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟ What are you doing here? I want to bang my head. زه خپل سر راچول غواړم. I want to bang my head. Consider me your own. خپل می وګڼه. Consider me your own. It will cost you expensive. تا ته به دا ګران پریوزي. It will cost you expensive. You order. ته حکم کوه. You order. Apologize to her. د هغې نه معافي وغواړه. Apologize to her. I need an answer. زما جواب پکار دی. I need an answer. Are you feeling well? آیا ستا طبیعت ښه دی؟ Are you feeling well? Do not pageant. تماشه مه جوړوه. Do not pageant. Brush before going to bed. د اوده کېدو نه مخکې برش کوه. Brush before going to bed. Say whatever you want to say. چې څه ویل غواړې ووایه. Say whatever you want to say. Stop finding my evil. بدی تلاش کول می بند کا. Stop finding my evil. Pay attention to yourself. په ځان توجه ورکا. Pay attention to yourself. I am getting nervous. زه یریږم. I am getting nervous. I want to marry. زه واده کول غواړم. I want to marry. I am 30 years old. زه د 30 کالو یم. I am 30 years old. Don't disturb my mind. مازغه راله مه خرابوه. Don't disturb my mind. Do not give him so much freedom. هغه له ډېره ازادي مه ورکوه. Do not give him so much freedom. Open your ears and listen. غوږونه کولاو کا او واوره. Open your ears and listen. Pack your bags. سامان دی پیک کا. Pack your bags. You walk away from here. ته د دې ځای نه ځه. You walk away from here. Let me rest. پرېږده چې آرام وکم. Let me rest. Do not spin things. خبرې مه تاوهه. Do not spin things. As far as I am concerned. څومره چې ما ته پته ده. As far as I am concerned. I will take care of the rest. باقی ټول به زه سنبال کم. I will take care of the rest. Don't fight with me. ما سره جګړه مه کوه. Don't fight with me. Are you in your senses? په هوش کې یې کو. Are you in your senses? Don't make fun of him. هغه پورې ټوکې مه کوه. Don't make fun of him. I have observed that. ما دغه مشاهده کړې ده. I have observed that. Let me live peacefully. ما په آرام سره ژوند ته پرېږده. Let me live peacefully. Don't joke. مذاق مه کوه. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ ټوکې مه کوه. Don't joke. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.